y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Deanna. This video I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from Subella Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So this wig is super cute. This is it's either a 22 or a 24 inch kinky curly wig, and the edges of this wig are also kinky curly. So as you can see here, like they come already like pre-cut as like curly edges, which is super cute if you want like that curly edges, like natural look. That is what you're gonna get with this wig. And so this is what the full wig looks like. The curl pattern of this wig is really pretty. And I think this is 180 density, but I'll have the specifications going across the screen. So this is what the wig looks like. And so the inside of the wig looks like this. You have your two combs on the sides. Of course, you have the frontal here. You have an elastic band that you can remove. It has a comb at the bottom and your two adjustable straps on the sides, as well as this lace at the back. And so yeah, this is the wig. So if you want to see me install this hair, you got to keep on watching. All right, so this is how my hair is. I just have it in some like, man, I won't even call them like braids at this point. There's some plaits. It's so embarrassing. Like, look at this hanging off the side, but I don't care. I'm just gonna take my edge booster and I'm slicking back my edges like this, because I am going to be using a wig cap for this install. Just to get like a more seamless look. So I'm just going to slick back my edges. And next I'm just taking the wig cap. That's what it looks like. Now I'm taking my Got To Be Free spray and spraying it along my hairline. Now I'm just going to take my lace tint right here in the color dark brown, and I'm going to spray the inside of the lace of this wig. I did bleach the knots just a little bit. And now I'm just taking some of my Morphe powder in the color Translucent Rich. And I'm just going to take my brush and just swipe it along the front of the hairline of the wig cap here. And this wig actually is fitting kind of snug already. So I didn't, I took off the wig band in the back because this wig fits pretty tight already without it. So I just felt like I didn't really need it. So what I like about this wig is I can see that there's not too much hair that I'm going to have to cut off for the ear tabs. Like, it's already fitting okay, but I'm just going to go ahead and adjust my ear tabs. This fits so snug on my head that I feel like I could probably wear this gluelessly if I wanted to. Like, I really feel like I don't need to glue this down too heavy. And I'm probably not going to use glue, y'all. I'm probably just going to use some spray, because this wig is wigging. Like, it's really just, it's staying on there. Like, I have no adjustable strap in the back, nothing. And it's not going nowhere. So yeah, I love that for me. All right, so I did decide I'm not going to do glue, but I am going to use just my Wonder Bond spray on my edges. So So I'm gonna spray it onto like the back of this edge brush, and I'm just gonna like wipe it along my hairline. So I decided I want to do a middle part with this, so I'm just going to roll this down, and I already kind of like parted it out a little bit, but I just want to make it a little better. I like how like I can get a nice deep part. That's super cute. And now I'm just taking my hot comb. So I'm using these jagged edge scissors to cut this lace, just to get like more of a like more natural cut. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do, I know it looks like really crazy right now, but I'm going to go through and define these curls. So before I do all that, you can see like the baby hairs right here, like they're already curly, but I'm just going to define like the rest of the hair, but I'm going to keep the baby hairs like in their natural state because it's a really, you know, cute look. So let's get to it. So this is a lot of hair, and I'm not going to define it all at once, so I'm just going to split this in half here, and then I'm splitting it in half again here. And then I'm just going to take my water and my curling mousse, pure honey curling mousse, and define these curls. So this is the finished look of the hair. Overall, I'm really happy with how it came out. It looks so shiny and silky and soft. Let me tell you, this hair actually is really soft. I didn't have any issues with tangling or any issues with shedding or anything like that. This hair is just really big and soft. I will say, like, no matter how much product you put on this hair, it's going to be poofy like this. So if you don't like that look, this may not be for you, but if you do like a thicker, fuller look for hair, then this is definitely for you. And I just think it really goes well with the edges and the baby hairs that are like curly, because it just makes it all look natural anyway. This is definitely a vibe, definitely cute for fall or summer or whenever. Actually, it's just really cute. It's really easy to maintain. I slept like in a bonnet on it and it was completely fine. All I have to do is throw some water on it to bring the curls back to life. I did use like mousse and some curling cream, but honestly this hair doesn't need all of that product. It just keeps its shape by itself really well. But yeah, overall I really loved this hair, and it was definitely different than a lot of the hair that I usually do. All the information will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.